this video, we want to write a query that is a little more complicated. Here we have a store called SchoolInfo, where school information is stored. Each school record has a list of people who are actually students on that school. In this example, we want to write a query that shows us the list of students along with the name of the school they are in. First, we select the SchoolInfo store. We select the name field, which is the name of the school, and the next field in the students list section, which is of the person info type. We can see the information field related to any person where we select first name and last name. Then in the select field and then student list, last name is selected. We save, choose get student and then OK. We copy and check the output. So here the URL became query get student. As you can see, in the output we see the fields first name, last name and the field name, which is the name of the school. If you want a desired name for one of the columns or fields, or in fact choose a nickname or alias name, we can click on the field and enter a name for it. This name is actually alias name or nickname. For example, instead of a name, we can write school name and OK. After saving, if I refresh the same query, the school name field will appear in the output instead of the name field. So this time it was first name, last name and school name. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tutorials on using appmaker.com.